karma properties and synonyms. In my second part, I have completed Vavik Samatvaha and the classification of the voices Sahaja, Kalaja, Yuktikraja and Balarutikara Bhava in the second part. And third part, I will be covering the Ujavikara, Uja Kshaya Lakshana and Uja Suddhi Lakshana. These will be covered in the third part video. Uja Vikara the diseases that affected the Uja Vidhi and Kshaya. Those are known as the Uja Vikara. Uja is a stable form maintained in the health and life. To maintain the healthy life Uja is important. When it gets disturbed, it endangers life and brings the diseases. That means when it gets disturbed, or disturbed means when its quantity decreased or increased, then it brings diseases in the body, such that Ojas is called as the Ojo Vikruti. It is of three types. Ojo Visrasam, Ojo Vyapata, Ojo Kshayaha. First one is Ojo Visrasam. Ojo Visrasam is also known as the leakage of the Ojas. In modern term, we can say that the leakage is known as the Ojo Visrasam. The shloka goes Vishlesham Sadhu Khatrana Dosha Visramsanam Shamaha Aprachayuryam Kriyanam Cha Balaha Visrasam Lakshanam. That is Sandhi Vishleshana. Vishleshana means Sandhi Vishleshana, looseness of the joints. Angasadaha, Sada, second word. Angasada means weakness. Dosha Vishramsanaha, Sthanam Utpatti, displacement of the Vata, the dosha. Vata location is the below the Nabhi, but if leakage of the Ojas occurs, then the Vata moves above the Nabhi. That means it occurs the Pitta and the Kapha location, and it leads to the Shrama, tiredness. Prachu Kriyanam Kaya Vaka Manasa Sannirodha. Pracharya Kriyanam means for improper functioning of the Kaya Vaka Manasa. Kaya Vaka Manasa. Kaya means physical, Vaka means by speech, Manas means Manaha. These all functions will not carry out properly. Oja Visrasam occurs. Just remember this: Sandhi Vishleshana, Angasadaha, Dosha Visrasana, Apraptucham, Kriya Nama, Kaya Vaka Manasa. Because the last MCQs are in the Vaibha with respective. Next one is Ojo Vyapataha. Gurutvam Sthabdatvam Angashu Glani Varnasya Vedanam Tandra Nidra Vata Shopaha Balaha Vyapadi Lakshanam. So Shloka goes Anga Gauravam Sthabdataha means heaviness and stiffness in the body. Anga means organ. Gauravam means heaviness. Sthabdana means stiffness. So heaviness and stiffness in the organs, that is Anga. Glani means tiredness. Glani is due to the Ojo Vyapadaha. Here Shrama is due to Ojo Visrasaha. Don't get confused. Next one is Varnasya Vedana Gauradi Varna Anyatvam. Varying of the complexion. Varna means color, complexion will be reduced. Tandraha means sleepiness. Tandra means also known as tiredness. Stopper means tiredness. Next one is the Nidra. Nidra means drowsiness, sleeping, heaviness, sleep. Heavy sleep or drowsy yawning is due to the Ojo Vyapada. Vata Shopa. General edema means tumors can be observed. Edema means something tumor-like structure. The Vata Shopa is observed in the Ojo Vyapada, but Dosha Visramshane Vata, the dosha means displacement of the Vata. can be observed in the Ojo Visramsaha. Next one is the Ojo Kshaya, Murta Mamsa, Kshaya Moha, Pralapoha, Ajnanamevachaha, Purvaktani cha Lingani, Maranam cha Bala Kshayaha. Murta means unconscious. Mamsa Kshaya means emasculation. Moha means again giddiness or tiredness. Next one is pralapa means pralapa dilemma, delusion, confusion. That is mainly known as the pralapa. Oja kshaya leads to moksha, mamsa kshaya, moha, pralapa, ajnana mevaha. Next is unconscious. Pralapa means confusion, that is mainly due to ajnana meva. Purva katani cha lingani vyapada visraja lakshana. And again he explains the lakshana of the vyapada and visraja also comes under the Ojo Kshaya. Last one is the Marana. This is important. Which Ojo Vikriti causes the Marana means Ojo Kshaya. Just remember. Next one is the Oja Ruddhi and Kshaya Lakshana. As I said, any of the Ruddhi Kshaya Lakshana can be asked for the 5 marks. So Ojo Kshaya and Ruddhi Shloka goes Abhidhatanam Kshayata Kopataha Shokatah Jnanata Shramata Kshudah Shushrutah. Abhidhata means injury, Kshayata means Dhatu Kshaya leads to Ojo Kshaya leads to the Dhatu Kshaya because it is the essence part of the all the 7 Dhatu. Kopata, one leads to anger. Shokata, dukkha, that is sorrowness. Dhyanata, excess meditation. Kshamata, excess work. Kshuda means excess hunger. These are the lakshana of the Ojo Kshaya Karanaha. Next, Ojo Vruddhi Lakshana. Ojo Vidhati Dehasya Tushti Pushti Baladeha Ashtangarati Sutrasthana. It is not a pathological condition, means it is if Oja Ruddhi occurs, does not any diseases occurs in the body. That is not a pathological condition. There will be upajaya means or nourishment of the body due to Ojo Ruddhi. Ojo Ruddhi Dehasya, that is Balaha. Tushti Pushti means increase body strength and Bala to the body. This much is the Oja of Kriya paper 2. Mainly they'll ask 10 marks in long question. Most of the time it is repeated. Or Ojo Kshaya Ruddhi Lakshana 5 marks. Or Kshamatva, Vyadi Kshamatva and Bala Ruddhikara Bhava. This concept can be asked for the 5 marks. So don't forget. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you need any topics to be discussed, comment in the comment section. I'll get to know. Thank you.